the things the examiner is looking for you to pass the driving test. I will show you exactly what it takes for you to pass the driving test. Let's start the lesson. So you came in, examiner next to you, take a deep breath. You've already done this sitting, the seatbelt is on, you've got the mirrors all adjusted, all done. Okay? First thing to do, start your car. Done. So how are you going to move off now? Take a deep breath. Now look around. Blind spot. Signal, because I've got people, car. Okay, there's nobody behind. Blind spot again. Go. Make sure the blind spot, really important, many they miss that. When you're moving off, make sure the blind spot is checked. Next road on the right, mirror, mirror, signal right. Cover the brake, brake gently. Just brake gently. Look ahead. Anyone coming? Look into the road. Don't cut the corner. Done. New road, mirror, give gas. As soon as you enter new road, mirror, and just relax. Be in control. This is your car. It's your test. Be in control. Traffic light will be going left. Mirror, mirror. Going to be going left. Signal is going to be around here. Left. Okay. Position. Left lane. And don't go too close to the red car. Around here. Keep the distance from the car in front. Not too close, not too far. If you go any closer than that, and if they break down, you're not going to be able to go around. So you need to keep some distance from the car in front. Okay? That's what the examiner is looking for. Remember, the examiner is not looking for how skillful you are. They're looking for how safe you are. Are you safe on the road? Are you safe for yourself and for others? That's what they're looking for. Okay? Take a deep breath. Every now and again, that's going to relax you. Okay? So every now and again, just and relax and let it go really slowly. Done. Look ahead, look into the road before you go in. Look at the mirror just in case there's a bike. Go slowly, the red car is going slowly. Okay, mirror and go. Okay, done. There's a road here on the left. Make sure there's no one coming from there. Even though you've got the priority, just make sure no one coming from there. The car in front wants to go right. Think what they're going to do. They might slow down. Done. Mirror again. Done. Okay. Do I have the space to go? Is there anyone coming? Think ahead. Think. Anyone coming? No one coming. Speed here is? Make sure you know the speed, because we've already seen the speed over there, yeah? Done. Both hands. We're going to go straight on. Which lane do we need? Left lane. Yeah? Mirror again. Done. Both hands. Don't forget how much. About here. Done. One advice I will give you, before your test, make sure you have some driving with your driving instructor or with the family members. Just go out and just drive. Just drive. That will give you the confidence you need for you to drive independently, meaning by yourself without any help. I'm going to follow the road. Look at the road markings and see which lane do we need. Which lane do we need? We need this lane. It's always the left lane to go straight. In this case, road marking tells you this is only left. We're not going left, are we? The examiner didn't say to go left. So basically you have to look at the road markings and drive in the lane that it should drive. Okay? Normally it's the left lane to go straight unless road marking tells you otherwise. In this case, to go straight, we needed the right lane. Okay? How did we know that? Look on the floor, look for the road markings. Okay? There's a car coming from your left. Okay? Car in front is braking as well. Good. And like I said, there's a road here. Every time you see a road, always look in, because there could be somebody coming from there. There could be somebody who wants to go in. Okay? Traffic light is green. What could happen? It could change. That's it. You just drive normal. It could change. Okay? And go. Done. It didn't change. Carry on. At the end, we will go right. Mirror, mirror. Signal is going to be right. Okay? Right. We can't see anything, so we go to the line and we stop here. And we edge. We can't see because of the parked car. So what do? We edge. And now we know. Good. So when we go to the end of the road and your view is restricted because of parked cars on both sides, what do? You just creep. And then once you've gone to the place where you could see clearly, that's when you go. Okay? So if you go to the end and you can't see, don't just go by guessing. Okay? Mirror, there's a car here, no problem. No problem. We looked at the mirror, mirror again, done. Be patient. They're doing something, let them. So you just look at the mirror and done. You're gonna go left. Mirror, mirror. Gonna go left on the crossroad. We can't see anything because closed junction is blocked the view. We go to the line and then we're gonna look. No one coming, no one, and look in. Done. Look at the mirror. Beautiful. Is that okay? Here we go parked cars on both sides. Drive in the middle. Drive in the middle. Okay. I'm just giving you, so that's the thing you should be thinking in your driving test. So drive in the middle because parked car, parked car. If somebody coming, I need to find the gaps. There's a gap here. There's a gap over there. Okay. I'm going to go right next road. Mirror, mirror. Signal is going to be right. Right. Okay. Okay. Look ahead. Look into the road. And don't cut the corner. Okay, good. Look into the road. Mirror. Good. Was it good turning? Make sure the turnings are excellent. You look ahead, look into the road, and think about the corner, and make sure the road is safe for you to go in, and you go in. Done. So what are we following? Romsey. Both hands. Mirror. Confident. Don't be nervous. Looks like roadworks over there. It's green. Okay. So just because it's green, try not to beat the traffic light. Okay? You just drive as normal. Okay. And when you come here, it's still green. You carry on. If not, you stop. Green doesn't mean you should speed up and try to beat the traffic light. No. You drive as normal. If it does change, you're prepared to stop. That's why you should be thinking as you're approaching a traffic light if it's green. If it's green, don't try to speed up and try to beat the traffic light. That's not your job. Okay? We are following Romsey. So we're just going to continue in this road until we see a sign Romsey. Okay? It's a long way. There is no reminder. That's fine. Because following Romsey, this is the road. We keep on staying in that road until we see Romsey. Done. Mirror and brake. Always mirror before braking, before slowing, before giving gas. Mirror again. Done. What are they trying to do? We've got the priority. Just make sure they don't go. Okay? It's fine. Make sure. You have to be sure. Sometimes people just misjudge your speed and they try to go front of you. Okay? Be patient. Don't slow down too much because otherwise they're going to think that you're letting them go. You need to drive in a way so that you are ready in your mind, but you don't slow down too much because you have the priority. You drive as normal. Romsey, look at the road sign or the roundabout sign. Which way is Romsey? Can you see? Second exit, straight ahead. Can you see it? Second exit, straight ahead. Mirror. Mirror. No signal, left lane. Second exit straight, no signal. Look on my right, brake a little. Look on my right, look ahead. Look on my right, look ahead. Road is bending, steer with it. Many they make the mistake. No one coming, go in. Done. No signal yet, second exit, okay? So mirror, mirror, that's first. So now mirror, mirror, and now signal left. Done. Do you get that? As you're coming off the roundabout, just making sure mirror, cyclist, motorcyclist, and go. Done. Beautiful. Okay, cyclist or scooter. Okay, early position is good. Early position. Is anyone coming ahead? No one. Okay, I'm gonna go. That's good. Brilliant. Okay, mirror, mirror. Come in. So I didn't make it as if I'm overtaking. Early position, and I just carried on. Mirror, brake a little. It could change. mirror, didn't change. Done. Look for the sign Romsey. Okay, where is it? Second exit, straight ahead. So Romsey is second exit, straight ahead again. So mirror, left lane, look on my right, no one coming, brake a little and make my own lane. There is no road marking on this roundabout. Make my own lane. Mirror, signal left. So I need to be in a left lane, no road marking, make a left lane, make your own lane. Okay, just because there is no road marking, it doesn't mean you're just going to go straight. You have to make your own lane. Speed here is, can you see, 30. Dead on 30. Done. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. They will take you in the 40 minutes on the roadway, high speed, just to see how you are. How do you control the car? How are you feeling driving in high speed? Can you control the car? So before the test, make sure you have some lessons driving in high speed. So go on dual carriageway and drive to become confident driving in high speed. Many, they do get scared or feel uncomfortable driving in high speed. Okay? Sometimes driving in 60 can be difficult, can be tricky for many because you haven't done it. You need practice, right? Practice makes perfect. So just go out and just practice. Okay? Also, just before the test, if there's something you are weak on, something bothers you, maybe parallel parking, bay parking, driving in high speed, dual carriageways, changing lanes, anything, something that bothers you, something that you are uncomfortable, make sure you face that. You head on, you face it. You go out and you practice that. Don't avoid it. Don't put it under your pillow. If there's something bugging you, something bothering you, don't just leave it under your pillow thinking, oh, it's just going to happen. I'll do it on the test. You're not going to do it. So if there's something bothering you, something that you feel uncomfortable, maybe roundabouts, maybe parallel parking, maybe bay parking, go and practice. Make sure you practice until that becomes comfortable for you. That becomes easy for you to do. Okay? And that's how you pass. You pass because you face it head on. Something bothers you. Something is difficult for you. Anyway, I just wanted to give you something to remind you about your driving test and how you should drive in the test. I hope this drive helps you to prepare for your test. Like I said, if you need extra help on Learn to Drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass your driving test. It has everything you need. I will leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching, and I truly wish you all the best for your test. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.